Díomh agus fáilte go grammar beag, bite-sized Irish grammar videos for primary school pupils.
So today we're conjugating verbs in an Anshalach like the present tense, which are two syllables. And remember, verbs can either be queel, slender, or lahan, broad. If the ending of the verb is igh, il, in, ior, or is, then it's queel. For example, balig, kiggle, atin, deber, inish. And if the ending of the verb is aigh, ail, AIN, AIOR, AIS, then it's Lahan. Kianig, Kiangle, Cogan, Fragger, Thomas. So, to conjugate verbs in the Irish Lothrach, like on Cadram, we add on different endings. And remember, the start of the brihar, the verb, does not change unless on or ni is in front. Just to recap, the foreign maca, may, I, to, you, she, he, she, shin, us or we, shiv, ye, you, plural, she'd, they. Brihar Lahan, broad verbs, they end with aigh, ail, ain, aior, ais, and Brihar Queel, slender verbs, end with igh, il, in, ior, is. So if the verb is queel, slender, we drop the igh and we add in the following endings. I father m, we don't include may. I father onn two. I father onn she. I father onn she. I father mid, we don't include shin. I father onn shiv. I father onn sheet. So, balig, to collect or gather. So drop the igh, you're left with ball, and add on the endings. Balium, I collect. Balian two, you collect. Balian she, he collects. Balian she collects. Baliamid, we collect. Balian shiv, ye collect. Balian sheed, they collect. Now with irig, to get up. So drop the igh, becomes ire, and you add on the endings. Irium, I get up. Irian two, you get up. Irian she, he gets up. Irian she gets up. Iriamid, we get up. Irian shiv, ye get up. Irian sheed, they get up. If the verb is lahan, broad, we drop the aigh and add in the following endings. I father m, we don't include may. I father onn two. I father onn she. I father onn she. I father mid, we don't include shin. I father onn shiv. I father onn sheed. So kianig, to buy. First of all, we drop the aigh, so we have can. Canium, I buy. Canian two, you buy. Canian she, he buys. Canian she buys. Caniamid, we buy. Canian shiv, ye buy. Canian sheed, they buy. Now, rownig, to choose. So drop the aigh, you're left with rowny. So rownium, I choose. Rownian two, you choose. Rownian she, he chooses. Rownian she chooses. Rowniamid, we choose. Rownian shiv, ye choose. Rownian sheed, they choose. Now we're going to have a look at the other type. So if the verb is queel, slender, and it has the ending il, is, ior, in. First of all, you drop the vowels from the ending, and then you add in the following endings as if it were queel. So, inish, to tell. Well, first of all, you drop the I in the ending, so you're left with insha, ins, and then you add on the endings. Inshiam, I tell. Inshian two, you tell. Inshian she, he tells. Inshian she tells. Inshiamid, we tell. Inshian shiv, ye tell. Inshian sheed, they tell. Tahn, so it means to either enjoy or to shine. So, again, you drop the I in the ending, so you're left with tatna, Taitn, and you add on the endings. Tatnium, I enjoy. Tatnian two, you enjoy. Tatnian she, he enjoys. Tatni and she enjoys. Tatni and mid, we enjoy. Tatni and shiv, ye enjoy. Tatni and shiad, they enjoy. And just referring back to our video on le, we are more to say we use le when we're using tatni. And so instead of saying me, tu, she, we actually use le instead. So, if we have a bríther Latin, a broad verb that ends with AIL, AIS, AIR, AIN, the rule is we drop the vowels from that ending and then we add on the endings as per usual. Uscal, to open. So we drop the AI from the ending, so you're left with uskla, and then you add on the endings. Usklium, I open. Usklian 2, you open. Usklian she, he opens. Usklian she opens. Usklian mid, we open. Usklian shiv, ye open. Usklian shiad, they open. Fragger, to answer. So again, drop the AI from the AIR, so you're left with fragra, and you add on the endings. Fragrium, I answer. Fragrian 2, you answer. Fragrian she, he answers. Fragrian she answers. Fragrian mid, we answer. Fragrian shiv, ye answer. And fragrian shiad, they answer.
Agus sin é.